Hi, beautiful soul. Let's clear up a common misconception about disease. Disease is not a natural disaster. It's actually invited by your choices, habits, and lifestyle. A lot of people think that just because their parents had certain health issues, they are doomed to have them too. But here is the truth. Your DNA only plays about 20% of the role in your health. The other 80%, that's all you, your lifestyle, diet, and daily habits. Your DNA might give you tendencies, but it's your daily habits that determine if these tendencies turn into reality. The way you eat, move, manage stress, and sleep, these things play a much bigger role than your genetics. It's about taking responsibility for what you invite into your life. So remember, disease is not your destiny. It's something you can prevent or even reverse by making better choices. Keep glowing, follow for more tips.